Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. We have this incredibly versatile Nissan Qashqai mid-sized SUV, here available in N-Vision variant, powered by a 1.2 DI turbo petrol engine with the exterior painted in stylish black metallic colour. We have the privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security and the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. To the rear of the car we have this spacious boot with the variable boot floor allowing you extra space for shopping or luggage so you never have to worry. Moving on to the interior of the car in the back, we have 3 full-size seats with a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and nice fixed points on the outside seats. We have this very stylish part leather and part Alcantara black upholstery, which is paired beautifully with the fixed panoramic roof, brightening up the cabin of the car and helping you enjoy the summer months. The front seats are also heated for additional comfort, with the drivers being electric. On the dash we have the black leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with speed limiter, as well as the central driver display screen, giving you everything you need for long or short journeys right in your peripheral. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 7-inch touchscreen which houses the likes of DAB digital radio, Bluetooth telephony and audio wireless media streaming, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist, as well as built-in satellite navigation when travelling on unfamiliar roads. It also displays the 360 parking camera, helping you with all those sticky parking situations. And just below we have the dual climate controls, ensuring maximum comfort for both you and your front seat passenger. Just below we have the electric handbrake, as well as the cup holders for both you and your front seat passenger, the heated seats controls, and just underneath the armrest we also have additional storage space. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.